quality listing guidelines. Guys, I'm checking if you are still with me.
Yes po.
Yes
Yes
po.
po.
Yes po. And
Yes
maraming
po.
salamat po.
Yes
Yes
po.
po.
And
Yeah.
sana po hindi ko nasayang yung oras nyo tonight. Sana may
Yes
natutunan po
po.
tayo. Thank you. Thank you po. All right. So moving on to let's check what are the high quality listing guidelines. So pag sinabi naman nating high quality listing guidelines, this has something to do with product listing. So pag sinabi po nating product listing, di ba po every time we check on Shopee or Lazada, pag na-click po natin yung parang thumbnail, di ba? That will route us directly to the listing part. Right? Makikita natin dun sa listing part yung images, yung description ng product, ano yung expected natin na matatanggap if we purchase or if we made or if we place our order for that particular item, di po ba? Right? So, what are the guidelines to have a high listing quality? So, nandito papasok dito a descriptive title. So, when you say descriptive title, dapat po punong-puno po siya ng keywords. Okay? So, that will also be taught during the training. We will guide you paano po paano po mag-conduct ng keyword research, what are the tools to use, doing the research. And just po on FYI, we also how to navigate Seller Central. We will also teach you how to navigate Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and some other tools. Kasi po, those are owned by OFP. Okay? So, hindi for Seller Central po, of course, we will definitely, we definitely protect as well the confidentiality of the client, but we also have our own Seller Central. So kaya po with the training, we will walk you through how to use black box inside Helium 10, how to use the X-ray, Chrome extension, how to use Cerebro, magnet, how to use Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and some other tools. Ipapakita po
Question
namin.
po.
Yes, go ahead. Who's this, please?
Ay, Cheryl Loctawin po. Sorry po if I cut you off.
No worries. Yeah, no worries.
Yung Seller Central po during training, tawag dito, ano ba tawag dito? Ma-access po namin, meaning mana-navigate po namin para alam din po namin yung gagawin. Free access po talaga.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying. Actually, hindi po pwede kasi po it's confidential matters. But
Okay.
during the training po, ipapakita po namin where you will go, ano po yung mga paano po ina-navigate. Let's say if you will be creating a listing, if you will create a campaign for your PPC, ipapakita po namin yun. And
Thank
paano
you
po
po.
mag-generate. Welcome. Pero when it comes po sa we also have this OFP apprentice program. So the apprentice program po, it will run for a month, and then every single week po, the apprentice will receive a 30-minute coaching session with the mentor. And not only that, meron din po kami tinatawag na business plan thesis defense. If you're an avid follower of the public group natin or the page, makikita nyo po doon na kumbaga yung mga mentors po kasi sila yung mag-throw ng question towards the apprentice, just to make sure that this apprentice is indeed ready to become one of the Amazon Store Business Manager. Kasi po useless po kasi ang certification na hindi mismo na-absorb, right? I'm not sure if you would agree with that. Parang sa ano lang po yan, para lang po yan sa college, diba? We personally choose our course. Gusto natin I wanted to become an engineer someday, so engineer yung kukunin ko. Pero po, 'di ba, kailangan po ng masusing pag-aaral. Tama po ba, right? Masusing pag-aaral, you need to submit the projects on time as based on deadline na binibigay sa atin ng mga professors natin. And then by the time that you will receive your diploma, that simply means po you pass the certification. So we are basically mirroring, okay, that kind of education or academe. So, ganun po yung approach ni OFP. So, hindi siya yung tipong, okay, done na kayo sa training and then ito na yung certification nyo. Hindi po pwedeng ganun. Alright? Next is inspiring product images. So, it has something to do with lifestyle photo, paano ba ginagamit yung product, do you have some sort of promotion and whatnot, except, on the main image. So, for the main image, it should cover at least 85% of the image. At dapat yun lang po yung product na makikita doon. Wala po siyang additional colors or any additional what's this one? Any additional images po that you will be adding on the main image. Okay? And then it of course it requires a plain white background. Hindi po tatanggap si Amazon na colorful po yung background ng item. Then all around the images that you will upload on Amazon should have a white background only. Hindi po pwede, ay kasi gusto ko yung pink ang ilalagay ko, bawal po yun. Okay? Only white background. So clear and concise bullet points. So for bullet points, guys, can you hear me this time?
Yes po.
Oo, nawala kasi yung ano ko. Clear naman so far.
Yes po.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
thank you.
yes.
Alright, so papasok dito yung clear and concise bullet points. Yes? Can you hear me? Okay naman, di ba? Alright. So, clear and
Yes, okay
concise
na po.
bullet points. Dito papasok yung WIFM. We always have this guidelines. When you say WIFM, what's in it for me? In the perspective of your in the perspective of the shopper, syempre. Okay? So now, moving on to the next bullet is imaginative product description. So, ano yung materials ng product? Paano ba gamitin yung product? So, kumbaga, will that benefit me, as a shopper? So, papasok yun doon. Yung mga, dapat, kumbaga, sobrang filled yung product description ng information that would benefit the shopper instead of you. And then next is syempre compelling price, yung like tulad nung na-discuss ko kanina, we should always be on top of the competition. Pag nakita natin na yung sa competition natin, the price is averaging between $8 to $15, wag po tayong mag-o-offer ng nasa $5 or whatnot, okay? Kasi sayang din yung potential mong kikitain doon, and you can of course might as well join the group, or sabihin natin sige para mas medyo lesser yung price mo, you can go for $7.99 kasi $8 yung pinakamura mo na nakalaban, right? You can go for $7.99, pero again, that is depending on the profit and loss result. So we also teach you that, medyo madugo na discussion yan, madugo na module yan during training. We will teach you how to come up with the profit and loss. Talaga bang may kita ako nito or naglalaro lang ako nito? Baka namimigay lang ako ng pera at hindi ko na-realize na wala pala akong return of investment. Okay? So, lahat po yon ituturo po namin yan during training. And then when it comes to images, ito naman yon. So the image, especially for the main image, it should be on white background. Again, clear, easy to understand, information rich, and attractively presented po. So, hindi po pwedeng sketch, okay? Kung ano po yung matatanggap ng customer, yun po dapat, okay? Yung image na ilalagay natin as our main image po. Hindi pwedeng kukuha ka lang ng picture sa Google. Ito mukhang similar naman to sa product na ibibenta ko, ito na lang yung ilalagay ko, hindi po papasa yan. Okay? You should take a picture of the product itself, and it should have a white background, and also it should eat up at least 85% of the total image. Are we following po?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Alright, and
Yes
then ito
po.
yung sinabi ko po kanina, your image should have pure white background, okay? It should be the actual product, ayan, not a graphic or illustration, bawal po yung, magaling kasi ako mag-sketch, sige, drawing ko na lang, tapos ito yung upload ko, bawal po yun, ha? Hindi po tatanggapin yan ni Amazon. And then another key to take note of, based on Amazon terms of service, they require 1,000 by 1,000 pixels, but with OFP, we actually go with 1,500 by 1,500 para po in case i-zoom eto ni shopper, hindi po siya magpipixelate. So maganda pa rin yung customer experience, di po ba? Right? So kasi if the image is great, so there's a huge potential na that will be converted into a sale. Tama po.